Hello, good morning everybody. In the last video we made the character follow the mouse and avoid rocks, but if we leave the mouse still we can observe that the character doesn't stop moving. He keeps moving like a pendulum. In this video we will make the character reduce his velocity as he approaches the mouse until completely stopping. We will implement the arrival steering. First of all, let's declare a new variable. Open your character script and add a variable with the name arrival zone radius. This variable represents the radius of the zone where the character will start to slow down. I initialize it to 20. If you want to start reducing the velocity earlier, reduce it. And if you want to start reducing the velocity later, decrease it. Create a new function called arrival steering that returns a vector2 containing the arrival steering. Add a vector2 parameter with the name vector2target that stores the vector to the target, in this case the mouse. Calculate the new speed. Divide the distance to the target by the arrival zone radius and multiply the result by the max speed. This way the speed of the character will decrease as he approaches the target. If the character just enters the arrival zone, his speed will be almost the maximum speed, and if his position equals the target position, the speed will be 0. Now calculate the desired velocity the same way we did with the seek steering, but with the speed we calculated. The direction to the target, multiply it by the speed. Finally, return the arrival steering, the vector that goes from the current velocity to the desired velocity. Scroll up to the physics process function. Before calling the steering functions, add the vector to target variable, the vector that goes from the character position to the target position. After that, check if the distance to the target is greater than the arrival zone radius. If so, call the seek steering function to make the character move at maximum speed. If not, call the new arrival steering function with the vector to target variable to make the character reduce his velocity. Before testing the new steering, we can simplify the seek steering function using the new variable we created, vector to target. So, add a parameter in the seek steering function with the same name as the variable and replace the part where we calculate the vector to the target with the parameter. It's always a good idea to simplify your code. We will calculating the vector to the target twice. One time is enough. Don't forget to pass the vector to target variable as a parameter. And that's all for today, bros. If you play the game, you will see that as the character approaches the mouse, his velocity will reduce until he reaches 0. Thanks for watching, and until the next video.